All right, welcome back, everybody. This is going to be a recap for the what I call a very, very small account challenge that I started last week. Small little $200 account. I call it very, very small. It's going to be very difficult for me to make any money with a $200 account, but I'm going to do my best. I am up a little bit, as I mentioned this morning during the live morning show. I did have a buy on the gold, but I did not take it, so I'm still sitting at 213 on the account. I will show you that I did take it on my large account though. As well as the stock trades that we took as well. But right now, the reason I didn't want to take it today was because we did have that interest rate decision coming out. They pretty much decided they weren't going to touch rates right now. So I know the market liked that. Definitely pushed the gold a lot higher. It turned out to be a beautiful trade, but I wasn't willing to take that risk on such a small account. All right, so let's take a look and let's see how we did today overall. So on the big account, I did trade the gold. I was long the gold, picked up 400, a little bit over 400 on that. Shorted a euro US, not much on that, 75 cents after commissions and fees and everything like that. Stocks, I had a pretty decent day again today on the stocks. As I mentioned during the morning show, that I was going to jump into STTK, which of course I believe I did right before an SPRC, right before the opening day. But nonetheless, pulled a little bit out of Yang. DRN was a really nice stock today to trade, and CCCC. There's really nothing here to show except that I do, once again, my process that I've been using for the last 40 years is pretty simple. I have 4 patterns that I look for. Once they're set up, then Einstein will come in and provide me with these levels. This is not, I know if you're thinking these are support and resistance lines or not, they're not Fibonacci numbers, are not Gann. It has nothing to do with that. It's based off momentum studies. So these lines here that you see, we call it it's based on the Einstein formula. You can read more about that. Watch some of the videos on our YouTube channel, Innovative Trading Strategies. And then, of course, if you'd like to follow it, join me every morning. I start at 9 a.m. Eastern Time, and I do trading for the first 30 minutes. That's open to everybody. Then I move over to Discord, and I continue on. In the morning, trading a little bit of everything, whatever sets up. So you'll see I do some metals, I do some indices, I'll do some currencies, or do some energies and metals, of course. So I do a little bit of everything. Of course, stocks, obviously. And so you can watch just how well, not only the pattern set up the buys and shorts, but also how well they do in hitting their targets with Einstein. All right, so definitely well worth checking out. It is different. This is not a publicly available trading approach. It's something I've developed over the last 40 years. I have been using these patterns over the last 35 years. So I know they're solid. They work across the board. Doesn't matter what I'm trading. They're all the same. It's one set of 4 patterns, and I use it for everything I trade. Same with Einstein. It's a formula based on the internal momentum and a few other things, and it just has a very high win rate in terms of getting hit on the target. Now, keep in mind, I don't recommend that anybody, for any reason, if you're trading for the very first time, ever trade a live account, whether it be my approach or somebody else's approach. As you know, always recommend you start with a simulated account and or a demo account. You have to be profitable there first before you can ever think about going in with live money. If you can't make money in a demo account, you're not going to make money in a live account. So it takes a lot of discipline, it takes a lot of patience, and it takes time in front of the screen. And remember, everything that we trade with, whether it be myself or anybody else, we have tools, and that's all they are. They're tools, are not 100% guarantees on any trade. So that's why it's very difficult to trade with a very small account, because you don't have a whole lot of room for mistakes. And so that's why I'm really challenging myself with that small $200 account to see what I can do with it. And I'll see what I can do with it by the end of the month. That's the game plan. I started a little bit late, started on the 6th, but I'm going to see what I can do with it by the end of this month. All right, that's it. So great volatility in the market right now. Always enjoy trading on Wednesday, so please join us for that. And that should wrap it up. So if you have any questions, best way to reach me is via my website, innovativetradingstrategies.com. Until tomorrow, have a good one.